Hello and welcome back to my video, and today I will show you guys how to make a pizza. Now let's get to the ingredients. Now first we have a base of the pizza, and then for me I have pineapple in my pizza, some sausages, and then cheese. I use mozzarella cheese, and then some squid. Then we chop them up. Now we will add some cheese. Add it thoroughly and nicely. Now I will add some sausages. And then some squid. And last but not least, some delicious pineapple. You guys are maybe wondering, why am I adding some more cheese? It is because my family really love cheese, and me too. Let's cut for everyone to enjoy. Now for the taste test. It seems that everybody really enjoy it. It's my turn now. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that the recipe that I gave you guys really helped you guys to make a delicious pizza and also make you guys' day better. And last but not least, I hope that you have a nice day and nice night, and goodbye.